So, are you concerned about your dog's health and you've tried everything and you want to get it healthy using as it says here, a simple method of feeding dogs an all-natural, nutritious and delicious diet, okay? And this diet is called the Viking dog diet. I will leave a link to that. If you want to access this diet, I just did a blog review about it where you can go and read all about it there. But I'll skim down the page slowly and you guys can check it out yourselves. The Viking dog diet. Okay, so let's check this out. Possible to extend a dog's life by simply changing the diet. A host of health problems may be caused or made terrifyingly worse by a dog's food, like, arthritis, low energy, even cancer. By switching to the right nutrition, you can help. We've been fooled for years to believe that dog food is healthy for our dogs. 1 in 3 dogs get cancer. 50% of dogs 10 years old or more develop cancer. There's the stats for those guys. You can check those out yourself. From dry dog food to a natural diet. Kara's arthritis is gone. She even lost 1/3 of her body weight. So there's Kara at 9 years old. Looks pretty stuffed, really. And there at 14, guys. Different dog. Totally different dog, okay? After just 9 months after switching to a natural diet, she lost 1/3 of her body weight. She no longer has arthritis, no need for pain medication. She is super healthy. Looks super healthy there, actually. Natural diet did what kibble, antibiotics, and special shampoos couldn't. Look at this boy's skin. He's had skin infection ever since he was adopted at 2 months, and now, as you can see, it's all good. Is dog food hurting your dog? I'll let you guys go through that, because we've got a lot to cover here, and like I say, I'll leave a link below if you want to grab some. This ebook with bonuses, guys, okay? You get bonuses as well. If you want to grab this program, this information, basically an ebook with about 3 bonuses. 50. I'll leave a link below for that, and a link to my blog as well if you want to check it out. But my blog is basically what I'm covering here. What I said in my blog is, the testimonials, are all good and basically tell you everything you know. Like I've just read a couple there. Could your dog's food cause heart disease? Well, I suppose they're like humans. Humans, apart from anything else, apart from this, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to, say that, all these problems, 90% I would say of these problems to humans are also caused by food. So there you go, more testimonials, guys. So, yeast infections. Jeez. I think I better go on I think I better go on this Viking dog diet. Tells you what to avoid there. The answer is found within the Viking dog diet. Dogs deserve real food, nothing that's processed, okay? Now, this is what the Viking dog diet method is. Like I say, guys, I'll I'll go through the main stuff, and then I'll leave a link where you guys can go and check this out yourself. Powerful yet simple, step by step, 100% natural real food, highly nutritious, and the dogs love it too. I haven't tried it, I haven't eaten it myself, obviously, but they certainly don't scoff their nose at any of these meals. Real food dogs absolutely love it. See that? No unnecessary harmful ingredients, no additives, contains no BS, there's no cooking required, may even take as little as 5 minutes a day if you spend some time prepping, so just like any other meal really. People that feed this kind of natural diet to their dogs have said that it brings all sorts of benefits, okay? Look at all those benefits. Dog eating... So there's what few experts say there, doctors, etc. Let you go through that. Just 2 weeks, so more testimonials here. Lost all excess fat. Yep. Looks like a totally different dog there, actually. You know, looks way better here. Better shape, you can see. More, you know, natural shape. So... Look, if you're worried about your dog at all, I'd definitely try this, guys. And this is the woman that created this product. So her dog died of cancer, so she had to do something about it. So she researched, and now she's on a mission to help other people. Okay, guys, I think I'll leave it there. Like I say, you can have, I'll leave the link where you can have a look at all the rest of this, because there's a lot more information, guys. I did a blog on it, and basically, I said, so many testimonials and that, and I don't see how it's all natural, so why not try it? I would definitely go for it, guys. If you're concerned, if you've tried other stuff and nothing works, try the Viking dog diet, guys. And like I say, good luck with that. Because you want your pets. The other thing, people don't mind at the end of the day paying thousands of dollars, for their pets, their dog. I've got a friend that paid, she's up to $10,000 now, so I might tell her about this, actually. The Viking dog diet. It's put me on to that idea, actually. I'll tell her about this. She jammed, one thing she did was, my friend jammed her little dog's foot in the door of the car, and hasn't been good since. But yeah, the other one is getting old, so I'll definitely tell her about this. So there you go, guys. Now, if you do try this, when you do try this, let me know, see how it goes. Tell me what you think. But it seems to be getting rave reviews, so it's all good.